Good morning, my community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. It's been a pretty rough week this week, guys. It finally got me. Tested positive on Wednesday, and I would say that had a fever of about 100, and I think the highest was 100.5. It started with a really, really bad headache, and then I felt the fever come on, and then it was the body aches, I think, that got me more than anything. Have a little congestion in my chest, not much though. My O2 levels are 98, so everything's fine there, and I think I'm turning the corner today. So today is Saturday. It was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is Saturday, and I really think I'm on the mend. The hardest part, or the worst part, I think, were the body aches. Had a lot of leg pain, a lot of lower back pain, and just general body aches. It wasn't anything, though, that I couldn't manage with some ibuprofen and Tylenol, which I did. Greg has not tested positive, praise the Lord, and he has been very busy this week while I've been laid up in bed. And I'll show you some of the things that he has done. You can see he's been absolutely incredibly busy. And I'm so thankful that he has not come down with it. So you guys pray that that continues to be the situation. Because you know what? We are 8 weeks away from spring planting and putting things in the ground. So he is getting our seeds ready for our planting and also for our plant sale. So for those of you that are local, we are still planning on starting our plant sale on Good Friday, which is early this year. So yeah, he has been super, super busy and praying for God's protection that he does not come down with this. So I'm really hoping the sun comes out because I need some fresh air today, guys. And been taking all my vitamins and some vitamin D and probably need some natural, but we got about an inch of rain overnight. We had a squall line move through. The winds weren't too bad. They gusted up to, I think, around 30 miles an hour. It wasn't bad at all, but we did get quite a bit of rain, and I think that we are catching up on our rain here in Texas. Greg and Pop worked this week to get all the carrots pulled because I do want to replant in here. The soil still looks pretty good. We'll do a little bit of adding some compost to it. And we will get busy here, or they will. And you can see these tomatoes are looking really, 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 really good. These are gonna have to go into some 4-inch pots here, or 3-inch pots, whichever we have, pretty quick, but they are just looking gorgeous, all these tomato plants. Here are the plants out in the big high tunnel. Here are more. And looky here. So like I said, Greg has been extraordinarily busy this week. Look at all these plants that he has planted and developed a little tent method. There's a heating mat underneath this that is keeping these warm. And we do not see any threat of a freeze for the next 9 to 10 days. He has been a very busy boy. So guys, you know, farming waits for nothing. It doesn't matter if you're sick, if you're feeling puny. And I'm so thankful again that the Lord has kept him healthy this week, because it would have been really bad if both of us had been down, because we have so much to do to get ready for spring planting. So now that he's got many of our seeds started and he's got more going, cleanup is going to have to come into play here pretty quick. And transplanting into the 3-inch pots are going to have to come into play here pretty quick. So, you know, pray for our health. Pray that I bounce back really quick. I'm feeling way better today than I have all week. So I am on the mend. Pray that the Lord protects Greg from getting it, because guys, we just can't do that. You know, I'm working full time, and so I can't be here to help him do a lot of this stuff. So as our daylight, we start to get more daylight during the week I'll be able to come home after work and help him do some transplanting and stuff. But right now I can't help him do a whole heck of a lot of anything. I got to continue to try to stay on the mend. Been taking my vitamins. I had made a big thing of bone broth before I got sick, and I've been drinking that like crazy. And so I really think that's helping, guys. And vitamins, no need for me to go to the doctor. Like I said, I've been able to manage everything with ibuprofen, Tylenol, and even NyQuil to give me a good night's rest. The big thing was the body pains. Frankly, I'm glad it's almost over for me. You know, and I hopefully don't have to worry about it moving forward. So just looking back on the last 4 years, my goodness, it's amazing where this came from, isn't it? Because we all know where it came from. And it's amazing how many of our loved ones we have lost. And it's just been a very different 4 years. But we have continued moving forward, and we're going to continue moving forward and thanking the Lord for his protection, and thanking the Lord for healing, and thanking him for getting me back on my feet, which I've got to try to move around today. Because laying in bed is not really good, and I need to get my body moving again, some circulation going, and get back on my feet. And yeah, so it's been a rough couple of days. So thank you guys for watching. If this video is a little choppy, I'm sorry. I'm not on my game right now, but wanted to give you guys an update and show you what we are continuing to do to prepare for our spring garden. Love you all. See you soon.